Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about removing the ransomware called Septwolves. This video is only for educational purposes. Keep in mind that I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you how damaging this ransomware is. Of course, you can now see clearly that before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your data without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data can be opened easily without any troubles at all. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called Septwolves can be easily injected. The ransomware then damages the files, and it's not possible to use these files anymore. The ransomware encrypts files, and then it is just impossible to open the data because of this ransomware and its attack on the files. So you can now clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Septwolves extension. Then the ransomware would tell the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the files recovered. So don't waste your funds and don't pay the ransom. We recommend that you immediately remove this ransomware, and we suggest that you use Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. And most likely it would first of all update its anti-malware database, which of course is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Then the scanning will begin. While the scanning is taking place, please pay very careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license. It does not decrypt files, it only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the files from further ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully completed. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on the system. The summary of the threats will mention the information about the names of threats, about their exact locations on the computer. Of course, certain threats can be removed manually, but still I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner. Once again, it will help to remove this ransomware and to protect your files from any other possible ransomware attacks.